In this video, we will divide a positive number by a negative rational number. Here we have 3 2/3 divided by 2/3. This is what's considered a complex fraction. A complex fraction has a fraction in both the numerator and denominator. The first thing I want to do is I want to rewrite this horizontally. 3 2/3. The division fraction bar means division by 2/3. The division bar in this complex fraction means that 3 2/3 is divided by a negative. I want to make that a negative 2/3. Let's go ahead and make that a negative 2/3. Now we have this. I want to use what I know and extend what I know about multiplication. So we're going to keep 3 2/3 times the reciprocal. I want to use the multiplicative inverse of a negative 2/3, which is negative 3/2. Because negative 3/2 times negative 2/3 will equal 1 whole. So now I want to convert this mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, denominator thirds, times negative 3/2. So now I have a positive and a negative fraction. When I multiply those, the product should be negative. Let's continue. Let me rewrite 11/3 times negative 3/2. Well, if I multiply numerator times numerator, that will be 11 times negative 3 divided by 3 times 2. 33, 6. Make sure you put your negative sign there. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I can actually convert this back to a mixed number, but I could see that this can be simplified. I can divide both the numerator and denominator by the factor of 3, and I will get negative 11/2. Now I would take that negative 11/2 and convert it back to a mixed number by doing division. 11 divided by 2, 2 goes into 11 5 times. And I will have 1 left over, and I'll keep my denominator, and that will be a negative. The final answer to this equation, to this problem, is negative 5 1/2. In this video, we divided a positive number by a negative rational number.